Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope you're having a fabulous week, and I am back at you again with another DIY project. So we're going to be making this baby right here. This is going to be all Dollar Tree, okay guys? So I think you're going to enjoy this video, and it's very affordable, very economical. So we're going to go ahead and get right into it. Awesome day, and I am back at you again with another DIY project. And this one is going to be all Dollar Tree, 100% Dollar Tree, guys, okay? I haven't done a medium size centerpiece in a while, okay? Everything's been like 35, 45 inches, really tall. So I want to do a medium-sized one because it's been a minute since I've done one. So let me show you what you are going to need, guys. You're definitely going to need one of these floral wreaths, okay? So the styrofoam floral wreaths from obviously the Dollar Tree. You are also going to need these styrofoam discs. They come 2 in a pack. You will need these champagne buckets. You'll need 2 champagne buckets. So what's great about this is we won't have to spray paint anything. Yay, no spray painting. All right, and then we're also going to be using the infamous diamond wrap. Absolutely love the adhesive diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree, the $1.25 tree. My goodness, you know, I'm just trying to get used to it. Every time I go into the Dollar Tree, I can only pick up, I gotta think, okay, 4 items equal $5, okay? So now I really don't go ham in the Dollar Tree like that anymore since they went to $1.25. So discouraging, but we knew it was coming, guys, right? Okay, they're still the cheapest game in town, so we're just gonna roll with it. You're definitely going to need some hot glue. Don't forget your Arrow hot glue and your hot gun. All right, so let's get started here. So the first thing you want to do is we want to take one of these buckets, and I didn't really look at this good. I think I'm going to keep this one for the top, and I'm going to use this one from the bottom because this one's a little scratched up. So we're going to take our floral wreath. Actually going to take the sticker off of here. So we're going to take one of our champagne buckets, ice buckets, and we need to attach this. We're going to flip it upside down, and we need to attach it to this green wreath some kind of way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of sort of just push this through like that, like so. Push it right through the foam so it's on the other end of the foam. And here you'll see that it has two pieces right here, or two sections right here that you can hold on to, okay? So that's what we want to kind of get pushed through the wreath. And then what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue. I'm going to take my hot glue, and I'm going to attach this wreath to those 2 little sections that stick out on the side of the ice bucket. Okay, I think that's how we're going to do this. Okay, so that was a complete fail, guys. Actual fail on camera, all right? But what we're going to do instead is, if you can see right there, look, take a look at that. I'm just going to pull this out. We're actually going to make a hole. Okay, see that hole right there? We're going to make a slit or a hole. You can do that with a knife, and then you can kind of take that little part that sticks out from the ice bucket and just push it right on in there. See that, guys? Okay, so once you do that, just kind of line the other part up and mark it with your knife, kind of sort of like where to cut. Okay, and then I'm just going to pull it out. I've marked it, and so now I'm just going to go ahead and start to dig this part out with my knife. And you want to kind of do it a little slim. You don't want to carve out a really big hole and compromise this wreath. You just want to cut out just enough where you'll be able to kind of slide it in there. So now I'm just going to push this in here. And success. Okay. Well, almost success. Alright, so you see that, guys? You see how I just kind of jammed it into the wreath. Alright, and then to make it a little bit more secure, I'm just going to pull this out. And I'm going to put some hot glue in here. I'm going to put some hot glue inside of our little sections that we carved out. I'm going to do one side first. And I'm going to sit there and I'm going to let this set, and then I'll do the other side. Alright guys, so we have success with the bottom part. We're good to go on that. And so now what we're going to do is take our disc and we're going to open this up. And I want to use both of these discs because I want to get some height. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and hot glue these two discs together. So now these two discs are hot glued together, and I'm going to take this and put this, I want to hot glue this right on top of this, on the top, or rather on the bottom of our centerpiece. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply my hot glue to the ice bucket. And I'm just going to apply it like around the rim. And you don't have to necessarily be super neat with this. You just want to do it in a way where I'm trying to see, just make sure that it's centered. Okay, so that looks centered to me, and it also feels pretty firm. So now I can take my next ice bucket and put it on the top. So now I'm going to take my next ice bucket and I'm going to go ahead and apply some of my hot glue to the rim like I did the other one. Alright guys, so this is the finished product, man. This looks amazing. And I've already attached a brooch to it because you know how I get down. I like to put a brooch on just about everything. And I did that kind of sort of so I could figure out which side was the best side to put the florals on. Because this ice bucket has like a little scratch on it that I totally missed at the Dollar Tree. So but anyway, this looks amazing. So now we're going to get to the fun part, and that is to add florals. So I'm basically just adding some florals that I picked up. Well, I've had these for a while. I can't say I picked them up. I've had these florals for a while, and I got all of the florals from Michael's. Michael's floral section looks horrid, guys. It does. It is a shell of its former self. It does not, they don't even have the inventory they used to have before. So I'm just going to link some flowers on Amazon and AliExpress. Those are your best bet. So right now I'm going to go ahead and start applying the flowers. I'm going to be applying the flowers right here to this to the styrofoam disc right here, and of course onto the wreath. Alright guys, so we are done here. I am finished. So here is the close-up. This is so gorgeous. Take a look at that detail, everybody. Woo! This is awesome on the cheap. How pretty is that? Okay, so now I am going to put the centerpiece on top. The center flowers. Okay, which I did off camera. And you can put like something there to level the flowers out. I just didn't have time to do that. But you could put something like, you could put a round plate or a maybe like a 6 or 7 inch disc on top. But I don't think that I have anything right now in my arsenal. Everything is in storage, so I don't really have anything to put on top of this. So I'm just going to use this like wooden disc. And of course, if you put this on there, you would want to attach it with hot glue. But just to get the centerpiece on top, as my battery is dying, I must have left my camera on. Okay, so there is the centerpiece. Okay guys, we are completely done. I got the top centerpiece on it. We're good to go. This is absolutely gorgeous. I just love it. I really love the way this came out. This is a awesome centerpiece. Super affordable. I'm going to put the price of how much it costs to make the centerpiece right there in the corner. And I'm going to leave off the flowers, okay, because people do different things. I use a lot of flowers because I have a lot of flowers, but you know, you don't have to make it like that. You could use Dollar Tree flowers, so it just depends, which is why I never quote flowers, because you could probably get flowers from AliExpress or Dollar Tree or something like that where you get it for a deal, okay? So I'm not going to put the cost of the flowers. But this is gorgeous, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. No painting involved, and you got that really nice silver metallic look from the ice buckets. So this is phenomenal. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to rate. Please rate and share the video, and follow me on all of my social media platforms, guys. All right, so I'll see you in the next DIY video. Take care. Bye bye.